This video looks at how to create a positive learning environment in your classroom. This is your presenter, Professor Kibet. What is positive learning environment? Positive learning environment means a setting where all students and teachers experience a safe, healthy, caring environment which fosters respect and high expectations, maximizes potential, and motivates interest and enthusiasm. A positive classroom environment is one in which students feel comfortable sharing their thoughts, taking risks, asking questions, and confronting challenges in their learning. In this type of classroom setting, students feel as though educators value their input. In the following section, I want us to go through ways of building a positive learning environment. Number one, build positive relationships with students and parents. Building positive relationship with students and parents is critical. And it starts on the first moment of the first day of school each year. This means getting to know each of your students' unique personalities, which actually includes their likes, their dislikes, strengths, and areas of opportunity. Number two, foster students' connections. There are lots of great ways that teachers can be able to foster students' connections. And this will help foster positive students' connections as a way of helping improve students' sense of belonging, increase engagement, and establish a caring classroom culture. So this can be done by teachers able to listen to the conversations going on between students before class and actually implementing highly personalized lessons to help students feel special. 3. Outline classroom rules for positive behavior. How can that be done? Having high expectations for your students is so important as you shape the norms for students' behavior and lay the foundations for students' success. So, as a teacher, you need to have clear classroom rules and techniques at the ready from the first moment of the first day in school. You can also do this by framing your classroom rules in a positive way. Number 4, use positive reinforcement. Reinforcement is a great way to build intrinsic motivation and help promote positive students' work habits. This one can be done by recognizing when students put forth some effort. Praising students' effort to perseverance can also go a long way to help them build the muscle not to give up in the face of a challenge and implement problem-solving strategies. Number 5, ensure content is culturally relevant. Since each student has a different lived experience and cultural background, teachers can honor those differences by implementing culturally responsive teaching strategies, which actually includes integrating relevant word problems, using media that positively depict a range of cultures, and finally, bringing in guest speakers from different backgrounds. So in this way, you'll be able to ensure that the content is culturally relevant. Number 6, keep a positive mindset. Anyone who has been a teacher knows very well how exhausting the teaching job can be. So taking time for yourself can be a real challenge with the demands that exist both inside and outside of school. It's highly recommended that you work to find some time, even just some few minutes, to implement some self-care techniques as a means of helping you maintain a positive mindset. Number 7, create a comfortable physical environment. So having a positive classroom environment for your students to learn in for you to teach in goes a long way towards helping build a good classroom climate. So the physical environment here includes everything from the way things are organized in the classroom to what is on the walls. You can also add color to your classroom with posters that include positive messages that can both motivate students and encourage positive behavior. 8. Stay informed on educational research. As a scholar or a scholarly practitioner, it's of great importance that you keep up to speed with research that could help to inform your practice and provide insights that you can use to create a positive learning environment. 9. Prioritize social emotional learning. Having positive mental health is critical in teaching. Social emotional learning can help students understand emotions and navigate an uncertain world. So there are some wonderful resources available for teachers, which I want to recommend that you look for them to implement socio-emotional learning strategies in your classroom. For example, building mindfulness activities. Number 10, plan lessons with motivation in mind. So building lesson and unit plans with student motivation in mind helps spark excitement and joy into the learning environment. So integrating game-based learning activities can be a great way to have fun and engage with you and their peers in class while they learn how to multiply fractions. 11, provide personalized feedback and assignment. This is very important. This one is very important. Provide personalized feedback on assignment. Going that extra mile to show students that you truly care about their performance and effort can help to motivate students and foster a positive connection. So personalizing feedback for students is a great way to take a moment and highlight some of the great work students do, the areas for improvement. Share the love. Number 12, share the love. There are lots of incredible things happening in your classroom each and every day. So to help keep parents, guardians updated, you can take to social media or your classroom website, your social WhatsApp forums to help share the amazing things that you are doing with your students. And finally, find time for fun. Sometimes the pressure to focus only on purely academic materials can mount and it can lead to burnout. Burnout is very bad for teachers. Find some time to use some games in the classroom and naturally weave in some fun in a way that your students will definitely appreciate. So these are some of the few ways that I've actually explored that can help us create a positive learning environment in your classroom as a teacher. If you like this video, kindly like. You can even share with a friend, or you can subscribe as a member. And as a member, subscribing monthly will enable you access some of the videos that are only meant for members. God bless you. Thank you.